Are you a musician, creator, DJ, or someone looking to add appealing visuals to your video? I want you to stand up from the crowd. Then this video is going to be game changer for you. Are you someone still uploading your audios with a still image? Still living the old traditional way? It's boring doing things like that. I have online visualization templates that will animate your audio track or your music tracks. Now, you can focus on creating this song and leave the rest of your work on energy technology. Sounds like you're right. And today, I'm going to show you the best apps and sites where you can find music visualizer templates that can help you grow exponentially and avoid your time. Stay tuned. While some creators, I'm curious to save all the Onemaker entire. If you're trying to decide on the best music visualizer to for you, here's the list of the popular ones that will help you. Let's start with the host. The first tool that I use is called Onemaker.io. Onemaker.io can be a one-stop solution for many needs. It is an online music visualizer and one of the best music visualizers you can find online. To start making a music visualizer for your music track or your music video with Onemaker.io, you must first pick up the visualization template that matches the music perfectly. Select the color, animation, background, and stuff to finally upload a song. You can also add it to use in your video. Onemaker.io is a creative and simple to use platform that makes it unique and even more special. As you can distribute your video to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok stories, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, while making the creation process easy and just keeping that 3 buttons. Here you will get some good quality projects for free. You will get an unlimited plan, and a monthly plan, and a real plan too. Rainforest. Rainforest is one of the best free music visualizer online tools that you can try. However, you will not find any free projects for a longer time. But this platform calls for quality. You have to choose between visualization templates with text or photo windows, add the artist name and the title of the song, add the background photo or the video, and then you can apply your creativity. So that's a very critical and important aspect. You may find the pricing a bit high, so it's a little disappointing when an end user with low budget that no unlimited plan is available, but you can offer the monthly or the yearly plan. Video mode. Video mode is a visualizer tool that enables you to take music visualization from launching the sound you've already made. It's one of the best music visualization apps that tends to download a song for your SoundCloud or the computer. Here you will get an unlimited plan and a monthly plan too. Next, After Effects. This software helps you to add various effects to your video. The tool even allows you to add unique and awesome graphics to your music album and visualize. After Effects can set anything in motion, anything with the keyframes or the expression. You can use the presets to kick off your design, forming such your results. The industry standard motion graphics and visual effects softwares, you can take any idea, make it happen. Next, Fiverr. One quite popular freelancer online marketplace for digital services. You might be aware of that. So, the premise of Fiverr is a little different from everything we have discussed previously. If you're going to buy a music visualization kit, this platform will help you find a capable freelancer to help you to create a stunning music visualization video designs that too for your requirement, for your customization. It helps you to get a customized solution for anything that you need, and even set private communication between you as a buyer and a freelancer. With that said, also you consider some other great options that include AVE layer. Its interface is easy to use and straightforward to understand, so you can give it a try as well. Next, Audio Vision. Audio Vision music visualizers offers 6 fully customization visual appearances and also offers almost unlimited visualization possibilities. Another one is Spectralizer. Spectralizer is a unique high-end music player with stereo spectrographic interactive 3D music visualizers based on the new advanced technology and psychoacoustic spectrum. Next, Visible Audio Visualizer. Visible lets you create music videos in a flash. If you're a musician and don't have much time to create the advanced music videos for your song, this app is right for you. Considering the above options, you're free to choose that best suits your need, your business. So my personal recommendation is Onemaker.io. As I had been using it for my own craft subjects like editing videos for the YouTube channels and turning movies into the podcast snippets. Also, it gives you access to a lifetime subscription that in a few dollars. You can even get motion graphics like After Effects with no software knowledge and editing background. What I also think is that you might like to get a 2 months free subscription with Onemaker.io. On Onemaker.io, they're simply organizing a giveaway. To enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment with your favorite music visualizer or anything that you use personally. And we will select the 20 winners at random in 1 week. And do not forget to leave your Instagram or Facebook handle in the comments below so we can contact you if you rate. Also, I think that you had enjoyed this video if you have made this so far. So don't forget to like and share this video. We'll come with a new concept, new topic, and better videos for you as a creator. You're supposed to hit the subscribe button to be the first one to watch. See you in another video. Bye-bye.